Hey guys, what's up? It's Solid Jeffro again, and I found Rain's second fatality. I'm gonna show it to you right now. Okay, here it is. What is it called? It doesn't sting. It's up, down, left, right, triangle. For the PlayStation, for Xbox, it's the same thing, but the button will be Y. Alright guys, that's the second fatality for Rain. Oh yeah, and this is what it looks like. Alright, and place it right here real quick, and then I'll do the fatality real quick. So you noticed Kitana's outfit is from mk2, so you can download that as well. Rain is $5, and the skins for Jade and Kitana for the old school classic ones are for free. So hurry up and download it. See you guys on the Mortal Kombat.